Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Arabic Creative Channel. Today we have discussed about the main important topic of the electrostatic, which is physics chapter. MEM plus 2 CHSE or CVSE. The main first chapter unit 1 is the electrostatic. Today now we have discussed about the what is electrostatic, what are the main function of the electrostatic, what are the different type of the electrostatic. Okay, the electrostatic is derived from two words, that is electro and static. Then the electro plus static, which is equals to gives rise to electrostatic. Okay, what is the meaning of electro? What is the meaning of next static? The electron means, the meaning of electron is electron charge. Okay, what is the meaning of the static? The static meaning is rest. The total meaning of the electrostatic is electrostatic is equals to electron charge at rest. Electron charge at rest. Okay. Now, what is the definition of electrostatic? What is the definition of electrostatic? Definition equals to, it is the branch of physics. It is the branch of physics which deals with charge at rest. Okay, what is the main definition of the electrostatic? The main electrostatic meaning is, it is the branch of physics which deals with the charge at rest. Then next topic is frictional electricity. Frictional electricity. What is the frictional electricity? When two insulating body are rubbed against each other, then frictional electricity will be produced. Frictional electricity will be produced. What is the frictional electricity? When two insulating body are rubbed against each other, then frictional electricity will be produced. Then we have discussed about the frictional electricity of the best examples. What are the best examples of the frictional electricity? Right. Number 1, when a glass rod rubbed with silk, glass rod becomes positive positive charge particle and silk becomes negative or negative charge. Example. Okay. Example 1 is the when a glass rod rubbed with silk and a glass rod, it becomes positive. Then charge particles and silk becomes negative charge. We indicate the negative charge. Then second example is when a glass rod is rubbed with flannel, it is found that glass becomes negative charge and flannel becomes positive charge. Okay. Then third example is when amber is rubbed with wool, then amber becomes negative charge and wool becomes positive charge. Okay, it is the best example, three best examples of the frictional electricity. What is the first example? When a glass rod rubbed with silk, glass rod becomes a positive and the charge particles and the silk becomes negative charge. Okay. Number 2, when a glass rod is rubbed with a flannel, it is found that the glass becomes negative charge and flannel becomes positive charge. Then third question change, third example is when the amber is rubbed with the wool, the amber becomes negative and the wool becomes positive. Okay. Next class we have discussed about the different types of the charges. Okay friends, Vande Mataram. Thank you all.